Kikoff only shows up on your credit report after your account is active, your payments are processed, and the reporting cycle with the credit bureaus completes. By the end, you'll know why Kikoff sometimes doesn't appear on your credit report, how long reporting usually takes, and what to check if nothing is showing up. Start with the most common reason. Kikoff doesn't report instantly when you first sign up. It needs time to verify your account and process your first payment activity. Now, explain what that means. If you just created your account, there may simply not have been enough time for reporting to start. Now explain the second reason. Kikoff only reports after there is actual account activity. That means your credit line has to be active and used before anything appears on a credit report. Now explain what users often misunderstand. Many people expect Kikoff to show up immediately after account creation. That is not how credit reporting systems work. Credit bureaus update on cycles, not in real time. Now explain timing in simple terms. Even when everything is working correctly, reporting can still take time to appear, because credit bureaus receive updates in batches. Now explain a common issue. If your Kikoff account is new, it may still be in the initial processing stage before reporting starts. If your payment hasn't gone through yet, there may be nothing to report. Now explain another possible issue. If your account information is incomplete or not fully verified, reporting may be delayed until verification is finished. Now explain what to check first. Open your Kikoff account and confirm it is fully active. Make sure your payment method is set up and your account shows completed activity. Now explain what to do next. If everything looks correct but nothing is showing, the next step is to wait for a full reporting cycle to complete before assuming something is wrong. Now explain when it becomes a real problem. If several cycles pass and Kikoff still does not appear, then it may be a reporting issue tied to account setup or verification. Now explain what to do in that case. Contact Kikoff support and confirm that your account is eligible for reporting and fully active. Now summarize the key points. Kikoff does not report instantly after sign-up. It requires active account setup and processed payments before reporting starts. And delays often come from timing, not errors. One practical next step. Check your account status and payment activity first, because most reporting delays happen before the first reporting cycle completes. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of credit building tools and how they actually work.